How to create a professional email signature on your phone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional email signature right from your phone. This will make your emails look more polished and credible. So, watch till the end, and let's get started. Go to your Gmail app on your phone. Tap the three lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Scroll down and tap Settings. Select the email account you want to add the signature to. Scroll down and tap on Signature Settings. Now toggle on the Mobile Signature option. Now type your professional email signature, keep it short and clean. You can also include a short tagline or your social media handle if needed. Once done, tap OK or Save. Now onwards when you will compose your email. Then you'll now see your new signature automatically appear at the bottom of every email you send. This method works on the Gmail mobile app, and that's how you can set up a professional email signature directly from your phone. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. That's all for the video.